As the 2024 year begins, the war between Israel and Hamas continues. New Year's Eve wasn't peaceful at this part of the world. Dozens rockets were fired from Gaza Strip towards central Israeli cities at the midnight of the New Year's Eve. Sirens sounded in various areas in these places. During ground operation today in the northern Gaza Strip, IDF troops continue to strike Hamas targets, personnel and infrastructure.
At least 15 Palestinians were killed and several others wounded Monday in an Israeli airstrike on the city of Deir Abala in the central Gaza Strip. Local Palestinian sources said, prior to the airstrike, the Gaza-based health ministry just updated on Monday the total Palestinian death toll to 21,978 since the conflict in the Palestinian enclave broke out on October 7, 2023.